Hello everyone! Pixel Village Creator Academy proudly presents one of its kind Cinematography Bootcamp designed especially for the passionate and the driven. This exclusive, intensive 1-month residential cinematography bootcamp runs 5 days a week, 8 hours each day, immersing you in a sea of creativity and technical mastery. During this course, you will learn from award-winning professionals who will guide you through the nuances of visual storytelling. Our bootcamp is equipped with industry-standard filming equipment, and you will get hands-on experience with RED cameras, Canon and Sony Cinema-Line cameras, and Cine Primes. You also will dive into the world of high-quality lighting, absolutely latest grip and gear. Each day at Pixel Village brings you closer to mastering the art of creating stunning visuals. As you reach the end of this transformative journey at Pixel Village Creator Academy, you will emerge not only with skills but also with a vision. Equipped with a certificate of completion from MESE, you will not only be stepping out camera ready but industry ready. And there is more. As a bonus, we are offering an additional 1-week intensive training on DaVinci Resolve. This extra week is dedicated to getting you started with the art of post-production and color grading, ensuring you are fully equipped to bring your creative vision to life with professional finesse. So, don't let your dreams wait. Spaces are limited. Apply now and make every frame of your career count. I'll see you there.